Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert text into lower and uppercase in MS Excel. This tutorial video is very important, so complete watch the video and subscribe my channel. So let's start the process. For this, look at my Excel data here. In first column, there is student's name here and our goal is to convert it into lower and uppercase. Are you guys ready? So let's do it. First, I will convert the names into uppercase. For this, select the cell and write equal upper. Open the bracket and select the cell. Now close the bracket and press enter button. See, the name is converted into capital letters. Simply drag it to apply it on the entire column. See, whole column is changed into capital letters. Now for lowercase, simply select the cell and write equal lower. Open the bracket and select the cell. Now close the bracket. Press enter button. See, the name is converted into small letters. Simply drag it to apply it on the entire column. So whole column is changed into small letters. So that's it, how to convert text into lower and uppercase in MS Excel. If you have any question regarding the entire process, then please tell me in comment section. If this video was helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching.